Hello, our sound for today is P. My turn, your turn. P, p, p. 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 P, p, p. Please join in. The picture is of a pirate. Get your patch on, and when you see this, say pirate, and when you see this, say pirate. Pirate. Good. Fred has come to join, and Fred is going to whisper some words in my ear. I'm going to sound them out, and you're going to blend them. P-a-n. Pan. P-it. Pit. P-i-g. Pig. Give yourself a pat on the back. Yes, it's time for the game where we hide the letter P in our cards. Here we go. Are you ready? Ooh. Point. Good. Y. Sh. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to shuffle them again. Here we go. Point. Sh. F. Y. Good. It's time to do some Fred Says. I'm going to show you some words. We're going to sound them out, and then you are going to blend them. We're going to do them all together this time. P-a-t. Pat. Pat, I think. Yes. She's patting the dog. Let's do our next one. Pan. A pan for cooking with. Wonder what you could put in the pan. Maybe you can make some nice hot chocolate in there. This time, let's do Fred in the head. Pin. Very good, everyone. Let's do a P at the end. Map. We need a map. Here we go. This is a map so you can find your way around. Let's look at how we can write P. So we go down the plait of the pirate, over the pirate's head, and round the face. Let's do that again. Down the pirate's plait, up over the head, round his face. There we go. So today you are going to write P. You're going to practice writing it, and then you're going to spell the word pan, pot, and pug. I hope you have a lot of fun doing that. See you soon.